The new Opel Combo-e Life is available to order now. The battery electric leisure activity vehicle from the German automaker is on sale now. Highly versatile and practical, the Combo-e Life comes with either 1 or 2 sliding side doors and is available as a 4.4 meter long standard or 4.75 meter XL version, both with either 5 or 7 seats. Depending on the driving profile and the prevailing conditions, the new Opel LAV can drive up to 280 kilometers on a single charge of its 50 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery on the WLTP cycle. Owners can refill the battery to 80% in around 30 minutes at DC public charging stations. Thanks to 100 kilowatt, 136 horsepower, and 260 newton meters of torque from the electric propulsion system, the Combo-e Life is perfect also for the open road. Depending on the market and the model variant, the leisure activity vehicle accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in only 11.2 seconds, while the 130 km per hour maximum speed, which is electronically limited, makes the LAV autobahn-proof. A sophisticated regenerative braking system with 2 user-selectable settings further increases efficiency. The Combo-e Life is ready for a variety of energy infrastructures and charging options, ranging from wall box to fast charging or even cable for charging from a domestic plug socket if necessary. Using a 100 kilowatt DC public charging station, charging of the 50 kilowatt hour battery to 80% takes only around 30 minutes. Depending on the market and infrastructure, the Combo-e Life features a powerful 3-phase 11 kilowatt onboard charger or a single-phase 7.4 kilowatt onboard charger as standard.